Is your business drowning in a sea of customer data, making it impossible to stay organized and nurture those vital relationships? Then stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into Method CRM, a customer relationship management software designed to help small businesses like yours streamline operations and boost sales. First, let's explore the core features. Method CRM excels at contact management, allowing you to store detailed information about each customer. From contact details and communication history to purchase preferences, the software also has a robust lead tracking functionality that helps you manage potential customers as they move through your sales pipeline. One of Method CRM's biggest strengths is its seamless integration with QuickBooks. This integration eliminates double entry and ensures that your sales and accounting data are always in sync, saving you time and reducing errors. Now, let's talk about pricing. Method CRM offers a few different plans to choose from, catering to various needs and budgets. Make sure to carefully evaluate which plan best fits your business requirements and consider the long-term value it can provide. How easy is it to use? Method CRM boasts user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation and customizable dashboards. This means your team can quickly adapt to the software and start maximizing its potential without extensive training. Ultimately, Method CRM is a solid choice for small businesses and specific industries looking for an all-in-one CRM solution with QuickBooks integration. Be sure to do your research, try out the free trial, and see if it's the right fit for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tool reviews.